It's time to watch, whoa, whoa, Rick on the rocks, whoa, whoa. Do you like my theme song?
No.
Okay. Do you want to do the Mrs. Doubtfire opening?
What's that?
Hello, children.
No.
Pretty good. I'm Rick from Rick on the Rocks, and this is my daughter, the kid. And we recently became members of the Marvel Collector Corps. I back-ordered for us the Avengers box, and we are very excited to unbox it now for you. You want to do the honors?
Sure.
Have at it. What? Oh, as always, we get...
A patch.
Oh, and we've got an Ultron patch and a Captain America. They've got old school on this one, Captain America pin.
I'm looking first.
Do it.
Oh, it's really good.
Why are you hiding it from me?
It's really good.
Okay. Oh. Now, Paris and I saw the Age of Ultron. Did I take you out of school early that day?
Yeah.
I think I did. We went and saw it the day it opened. We've got the Marvel Collector Corps exclusive, and I've heard about this, and now I'm an owner of it, the Hulkbuster.
There's Vision!
Yeah, we need to get Vision. This is pretty amazing. This is a great pop. And what else do we have? What is that?
It's the thing I've been telling you about.
Oh, the Dorbs. Are like adorzable or?
No, Roblox. Roblox. I want to open it.
Open it up.
It's probably that.
Is it Ultron?
Probably. I mean, it has his face on it.
Oh, that would make sense.
Oh, come on. Let me get it down there. Why do you have to put it in a bag?
I don't know. It might be in another bag after that. Let's see it.
It's really heavy.
Oh, that's really cool. Well, hold on a second.
He's so cute.
It's like a giant, like, weeble wobble.
It's not wibbling or wobbling.
I like it.
It's cute. I want
But you know what? You won't fall down.
Aww. But he's really heavy.
That's really cool. So I guess that's pop. Oh wait! This is what I love about the Collector Corps. Brother gets a T-shirt every box.
What is it? Oh, that's cool. Wait.
Which one is it?
It's
Oh, it's Heroic High Flying.
Thor vs. Ultron.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that T-shirt. I'll be wearing that. And do we have anything else?
You got one more comment.
What? Well, the one thing I do...
Why is Star-Lord blonde?
I don't know. One thing I did notice
Why is he blonde?
that they've changed. Did you notice what's different about this comic book?
Yes.
What's different? The new box sends you a bag and a back, which all comic collectors tell you we have to have that. So this is a Guardians team up with the Avengers.
Why is he blonde?
I don't know. You'll have to talk to the animators. All right. That's all for our unboxing. That was a good box, I have to say. Paris, you ready to say goodbye? You want to do the Mrs. Doubtfire goodbye?
No.
Goodbye, children.